So today I decided I was going to not do the plant video that I was going to do and decided to talk about something else entirely. What I wanted to do a video about today was about how to trick yourself into wanting to cook when you really don't want to cook. There are those days where I must back up and say that these tricks don't even work on me. Some days when I really don't want to cook, sometimes you just gotta get takeout. But when you're like, oh, should I cook? I know I have the food there, you know, it's really easy to cook, I just gotta get some momentum to get into the kitchen and cook. These are the things that I do to help me get in the mood to cook. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Tiffany of the blog itsmeladyg.com. It is a lifestyle wellness blog, but more than anything, I'm really leaning in on ways to cultivate joy. And so just stay tuned for that. If you aren't subscribed already, make sure to do so because that helps me out. Follow me on Instagram as well at itsmeladyg. First thing I do to help me get in the mood to cook, and it may sound and seem superficial, actually put on an apron. That has really helped me over the years of getting in the kitchen to cook and trying to trick myself. Once I put on an apron, it kind of like shifts my mood and it's like, okay, this is what I'm doing. Okay. Started to buy aprons that I really love. Some people like luxury bags and stuff. I like luxury bags too, don't get me wrong, but I also like really high quality aprons, and that's when I went and bought ones from Hedley and Bennett. I bought a couple, and then now I'm actually, in full disclosure, I am an affiliate of theirs, one of their ambassadors. I needed an apron that when your hands are wet and you're just cooking and stuff, it doesn't make your clothes wet, because some of the ones, I guess depending on where you get it, but some of the ones you may get from just any other place, they're really thin, so your clothes end up being wet sometimes afterwards, and I really like how durable those are. But regardless, put on a cute apron, okay? And that's my first suggestion. The second thing I would suggest doing is eating a snack before you go to cook, okay? Just like when you're in the store and you haven't eaten, they say don't go to shopping while you're hungry. That's what I try not to do. Why? Because it clouds your thinking, and then you start to get in a bad mood because you're hungry. So I start to eat by eating a snack, whether it be a banana or whatever it is, and not really like a sugary one, because that'll get you on a sugar high and then you'll kind of crash in the middle, which I just said a banana. But I mean, like, if you're gonna choose between a banana and a cookie, go for the banana, okay? Nothing too heavy, but something that'll just get in your belly and will, get you thinking a little bit better. That's the second suggestion. Third thing is to look at like a cookbook or on Pinterest or something. This may sound stupid and you're like, yeah, the Pinterest. Saying that, not to say that that's what you want to cook, like you're not looking for a recipe, rather you're just looking at food that looks good and appealing, okay? Because then that'll start to get your brain and the juices flowing as to what you can, just may feel like making. It doesn't have to say that you're gonna go and copy this recipe. You're not looking for a recipe so that you can go and make that recipe. You're looking at food, okay, that looks appetizing. That's me mimicking going through the cookbook, okay? You're looking at food so that you can then start to get in the mood of cooking good food. I hope I make that distinction, okay? Not for a recipe, for you to get in the mood. Not that kind of mood, but you get what I'm saying. Generally speaking, if I'm already on the cusp of wanting to start to cook but not just needed to get a little inspiration, those are the three things that I do to get me going in the kitchen. Saying that I'm gonna make a 4-course meal and everything has to be super yummy, sometimes it does turn out not so great, but at least I cooked the food, which means I didn't save money, and hopefully, even though I do take longer in the kitchen than I should, it will save you some time if you, let's say, double the meal that you're already making. That's other hacks and other things of how to save money. Cook for 2 meals, not for 1. So there's all those things, but just to get you in the mood to get in the kitchen to start to cook, those are the 3 things that I suggest, okay? If this was helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.